Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to send money through Facebook Messenger. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Tap on the profile of the user that you're going to send the money to. Tap on the four dots at the bottom left of your screen. The feature of sending money through Messenger is currently not available in all the regions, but if it is available in your country, you can see a send money icon right here. You can simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be directed to a page something like this. Here you can simply enter the amount that you want to send and tap on pay. And that's it. This is how you send money through Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.